Hey guys, T here. I got an oil radiator here that is busted. It won't turn on. Now, these things have a little on and off inside of here so that if it falls over, it turns it off. I don't think you can see it, but oh yeah, it's way down here. I was thinking it was up here. Let's drop down a little bit. It's right in here. And it just goes like this. So let's try to move that little tilt switch in there. Look at this. Oh my. So if you want to do it quick, just try that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon.